Hi, so in this video I want to talk a little bit about foundational links, and this will be a bit in line with the previous links I showed you, which were the video links, image links, PDF links, audio links, and all those types of foundation links you can build manually or you can outsource, of course, but I want to talk a bit about them and why. So after you've created your social properties with branded anchors, just like I told you, the next step is to make and to create foundational links. And just a quick disclaimer, this image was taken from one of my services, so I had a good quality image to show you. So as you can see, doc sharing links, PDF links, Web 2.0s from WordPress, for example, like I told you, audio links, image links, video links. So everything I talked to you about before is here. Okay, and I will show you in a bit more on this. But foundation links are links that are manually built using Google-friendly properties. Okay, also in authoritative properties, just like YouTube, SlideShare, Blogger, just like the ones that I showed you before. And these platforms, just like the social media platforms where you build branded links, for example, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, will make Google more aware of your brand, of your site. Okay. Now, remember on the branded links, you only use branded anchors. Here, when you want to build a strong foundation, you want to use both branded and naked URL and generic anchors, and only use exact match and long tail versions of your keywords around 10% of the times. Again, notice that both the branded links you created and all these foundation links are mainly the main anchor text used is branded, naked, and generic anchors. This is so, again, you don't reach your quota of exact match and long tail versions of your keyword, because you only want to use them on the more powerful links. And the reason for these percentages is explained in the previous video. So if you want to refresh your memory, you can go there and learn why these percentages are how I'm explaining them here. But I want to go over an example to show you what these foundation links actually look like. Because on the video where I showed you the introduction to links, I only showed you one property. So in video links, I only showed you Vimeo. So here I want to show you all the properties there are where you can build these foundation links. So here's what I wanted to show you. This is a report of one of my services, but that doesn't really matter. What I want you to see here is that, as you can see, you have 10 video sharing links from 10 different video sharing platforms. And if you remember correctly, on a couple of videos ago, I showed you what a video sharing link was, and I showed you one on Vimeo. But there's a bunch of other platforms, and I already opened here some. As you can see, you upload a video to YouTube. This is a pretty simple video. And you can add a description and then a link back to your site. And you can do this on other platforms, on other video sharing platforms. Again, upload your video and have a description with a link back to your site. In this case, the link is non-clickable, but it's still a brand mention. Another platform, for example, lets you upload a video and have a link back to your site. And let's just check if it's do follow or no follow. And this one is actually no follow. Okay, no worries. And then again, another platform, in this case Flickr, lets you upload a video, and in the description lets you have a link. In this case, you're gonna have a link with an anchor text which can or cannot be a branded or naked URL or exact match or long tail version of your keyword. And like I said, you want to have about 10% of these exact match or long tail versions of your keyword. So you can also, instead of just put URLs, put exact match anchors or long tail versions of your keyword. So most of the sites will only allow you to put the URL, but on the ones that allow you to put other things, you might as well go ahead and do it. And this is it. So these are all free properties you can create yourself and start building some more valuable links that will increase not only your site's rankings, but also Google's trust in your site. So these are what we call the foundation links. So after you built all the social properties, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc., you start building these free foundation links. These are links from authoritative properties that Google trusts. So why not build them if they're entirely free and come from authoritative sites? Now let me just show you the article sharing links, for example. We're just gonna open a couple here. So Evernote, for example, pre-authoritative site. As you can see, you can place a link back to your site. This one as well, okay, article with a link back to your site. So article sharing links, image sharing links, again, you have Pinterest as well. I think I showed you Imgur, so you have Pinterest, you have a bunch of different ones. Let's not cover this right now. Web 2.0, like I told you, these are blog sites. So you have Wix right here, you have Google Sites, you have Blogspot, you have, let me see, you have Blog Freely, you have a bunch of different blog sites. I can just open one here to show you. As you can see, a simple blog site with a link back to your site. So these are foundation links. Again, PDF sharing links. I can also show you this one. The idea here is that you can see that the actually this one was deleted. Not sure why, but I'm sure I can find one that's working. Okay, so as you can see, a PDF file that has clickable links inside of it. Okay, you can actually click this one. I think you have to be in full screen again. Actually no, but I'm sure you can click it if you find a way. But the idea here is that you see that these are what we call foundation links. So after you build your social media properties, you go ahead and start building these foundation links, which are links from strong properties in Google's eyes that are totally free to create. And I do sell this service on Legit. If you're watching this course in 2020, 2021, I'll probably still be selling it. But if not, I'm sure you can find someone that does this anywhere else. But basically, what I'll do for you and my team is build these foundation links manually from these authoritative properties. And again, I know I'm repeating myself, but I just wanted to show you what these properties actually are, and show you that these are the next links you should build. And again, they're completely free. Sorry, you don't have to pay anyone. Just go on these websites, register an account. In this case of video sharing links, upload a video and write a description with your keywords inside and well optimized, and then place a link back to your website. You can do this on video sharing sites, article sharing sites, and all of these ones right here. And that's what I want to show you. It's pretty straightforward, but I wanted you to know that these foundation links are pretty powerful, and they're completely free for you to create and are a great way for you to start diversifying your link profile. These are 100+ links right here, which are again totally free to create. You don't have to pay anyone, and they are a great way to start building some authority on your site, and again diversifying your link profile. That being said, I'll see you in the next video.